Hola. Ay, bonjour. Chao. Me encuentro en el lago central de Toronto. Miren detrás de mí las olas que suben y bajan. El clima de hoy está muy bonito. La lluvia se detuvo hace una hora. Hay hielo porque se ha derretido. Ha llovido esos 2 últimos días. Mis mejores deseos de salud, de buena salud quiero decir, y que cada logro que emprendan se pueda hacer realidad muy pronto. Espero verlos en el año 2025. 2025, here we are. I made a comeback to my YouTube channel back in 2023. I was mostly releasing videos for children, then I realized in early 2024 that I needed to make my videos more inclusive to everyone. So I want to say thank you to all my subscribers, and remember that every subscriber counts for me. Cada abonado cuenta para mí. Chaque abonné compte pour moi. Bien sûr que oui. Let's stay connected. The Children's Book Bank is now near our neighborhood. Free books for children and teenagers were at your gate mall. On February 1st, visit my local library and enjoy the winter recital with us. More handmade items will be coming up soon. For instance, a cozy net warmer, a guitar, and some sea cruisers. I'm also back at the gym. De vuelta al gimnasio. Claro que sí. And that's not all. I'm also back at knitting. Qué lindo es tejer. Last night, we had our first night out at Royal Ontario Museum. Keep in mind that you will wait outside. We were lucky to wait just for 12 minutes. We like winter sports. I'm personally new at skating. I found it very fun and I feel more comfortable these days to be in an arena. Ale, patine. Vamos a patinar. Abrazo grande y un beso a la distancia. Chao.